Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to remove age restriction on YouTube. So there's a couple ways that you can pull this off. One of them, you can just go ahead to your YouTube, click on you at the bottom right, and then click on the settings here at the top right, and then move to the general. Scroll a little bit down, you're gonna see a restricted mode right here, and make sure that you toggle this one off, right? And this will help you not hide the mature videos. Another way of doing it, if you're still facing that same issue, go back right here and cancel this one, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click on the Google account right here, okay? And then basically go ahead to the personal info, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your birthday and then change your birthday to, become older or become over, or over the age limit. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.